If Pirates is playing well, we'll talk about Pirates playing well. If Sundowns is not playing well like now, Cardoso and Satsa, we'll talk about it. It's one way of helping them to realize that we can see what's happening there. About Kaizer Chiefs, no, we're not fighting Kaizer Chiefs. No, never. That's my mother's team, by the way. We always we'll speak about things. We won't say what you want us to say or what you want to hear, unfortunately. This life is not for people who want to hear what they want to hear. This life for people who understand football, that we cannot agree all the time on what you want us to agree with. No I'll say Mogans will be Pirates. Palama skateboard ka welcome. No way. Ek fita Val River ka kena ka swima ka fita. Fita la welcome. Ek fita Val ka sa kena welcome kena tikwan ka swima teng hape. Ka tikwe ka fita hape ka Valch. Swima mo. Chiefs has got money. Chiefs is loaded. Somebody said Chiefs is broke. Wapota. Yeah, Chiefs is loaded. If they can sell merchandise to almost 900 million, they've got money. Look at that, they still buy Chesely, the Kappa, whoever, but Banali you will buy.
Will he be a good fit?
My next big take for this weekend is that I really do not care what you think. Many of you won't like what I'm going to say, but it's okay. It's fine. What I'm going to say now might filter down very badly to other people. I'm going to say it anyway. It's a narrative that we are creating now for you to start a discussion wherever you are. And you know what's that? I do not give that big H and the big C of what you think of what I'm going to say. Chiefs will go all the way to the final of the Confed Cup and even win it. So my statement is very clear. I don't think you understand what I understand. And I do not care whether you understand that or you don't. I'm saying the Perfect Glamour Boys, Abafana Butuano Kolo, Esgamtaung, Ikeza. They call it like that in Durban. Ikeza. Kaizer will win the Confed Cup. I saw many teams that are playing there. In those 4 groups, Chiefs gonna beat most of them. See, they only need a point now to go through to the last 8. See, so that's gonna be nice for them. So well done, Amakosi. I'm saying the Perfect Glamour Boys will go all the way and win the CAF Confed Cup. What do you say? Send me messages on Omni Audio, on the WhatsApp line, also on the comments line, and also on my own TikTok. Tell me what you think. Chiefs are going to win the Confed Cup. Do you agree or disagree? If you agree, tell me why. If you disagree, send us messages on Omni Audio and on TikTok, _27. Let's talk. It's football time. Let's have a discussion. I've always believed from day one when Cardoso arrived here that he's not Sundowns material. They say he won the league. No. He played the last 20 games of the league. Not destroying per se. He's not destroying Sundowns. They're not moving forward. It's like they've stalled. So Sundowns needs to, they can buy whatever many expensive players from wherever in the world. But if the systems and the processes are not right at the club, then there's a problem. And the way I love Sundowns, I feel that it's not right what's happening there. I don't have a problem with Flemingberg. I don't know what's his job there. One thing, he's not a coach. So I don't care what he's doing there. But my case is on the coach. Coach needs to do his work properly during the week. Don't change this team so many times like he's doing. You don't even know who's coming and who's going. Aye. I think Lilepo should stay as a winger. Who's a better winger than Lilepo Chiefs? Ask him. Yeah, who's a better... Guys, is there a better winger than Lilepo Chiefs? I think Lilepo should stay there as a winger and open up the side from the wing and drop his shoulder all the time. So from now, Lilepo is... All his goals he's scoring from a midfield position, coming deep from the midfield, either dropping his shoulder from the left or the right. Look at all his goals this season and before. There isn't any better winger than Lelepo there. There isn't. So let Lelepo stay there as a winger. Then check what they're going to do. Silva must stay there and score goals and stop being a babysitter. Thank you, Jabu. Yeah, Cardoso changed the system that was working, introduced a new system that doesn't suit Sundowns. Thank you. Well said. Mzanti says, Kiwari Tikawa, goal one, always it will win it. Look, we can win the league with one goal. As long as you know how to defend that one goal, you can win the league or any championship for that matter or competition. Winning one goal until you finish. As long as you can defend it, I'm good with that. It's really not a problem. Melusi, nyeza kuwe. Do us what? Gustavo, kujan fan. Do us move to left wing. This thing of number 10 for him doesn't work. All right. Gustavo, if you say Dumas go to left wing, give me an answer then. Who should then play number 10 at Chiefs? Sereno? Do you think Sereno can play better number 10? Or you can convert Matlo and make him number 10? He's good. Matlo is very good. We can say what once Ngamkwara City. Matlo is good. Ubuzobani uthi uyamfuna ubuzobani angibuzanga mos so ungena futhi ungena lapho ishow yami le ungena yabona nama producer la ngizowafire wonke zoqasha belungu manje bakhuluma kakhulu labafana. All right, Timbo, I think so Sereno can play number 10. What do you think, Gustavo? Musa kunjani? Yeah, win is a win. I agree with you. When I KG, yeah. Am I running for SAFA presidency? Yes, I'm running for SAFA presidency.
We have a question for
if I win those elections later this year, and I'm going to have an overhaul the SAFA. And it's what you fire. Yeah, and I get getting a Bruce Capon. Lanzeba will have Pascal and Zaini Bodin. Kutiwan is that as well?
Kumbuzani Tele, do you think Rulani is coming to Naturena at the end of the season?
No. I don't think so. I don't think Rulani will go to Chiefs. I doubt.
Why not?
Are they willing to pay him? He's expensive.
They have money, don't they?
Chiefs has got money. Chiefs is loaded. Somebody said Chiefs is broke. Yeah, Chiefs is loaded. If they can sell merchandise to almost 900 million, they've got money. Look if they still buy Chesely, the Kappa, whoever, but Banali you will buy.
Will he be a good fit?
Run. At Chiefs? No.
Why not?
I don't think Laniman is a Chiefs coach. I don't think so. Serious. I don't think Rulani can be able. The type of players they have at Chiefs, Rulani can't coach. Chiefs needs Pito.
I saw Sundowns need Pito.
No, Sundowns needs Pito as like something like a generational thing, because it's been there forever. You know, somebody said Pito did nothing at Sundowns. What do you mean? Pito won the Champions League there. He won the league there. He won every trophy on offer. Pito won it there. So I feel Rulani should not go to Chiefs. Never. No. Generally Salama, no, must stay away from Chiefs. No. If you want to see a disaster, as in like a catastrophe of immense proportions, give Denmark Salakeza Chiefs. Chiefs are going to be relegated. Don't even try. Rather, Chiefs go what they usually do. Go look for a coach outside the country. That has been the best for Chiefs. Give me any South African-born coach that did well at Chiefs. One. Just one coach. Born here who did well for Chiefs. Come on.
But what are your thoughts on the coaching combo that they have at Chiefs?
The coaching combo? I thought, which one is a translator, which one is a coach? No, I'm not checking. We're unclear. Who's the coach?
Kaza used to be interested.
No, I want to be sure. When you say the coach is a Chiefs, No, mina ngazi lo khazi translator ka nabi angithi. So I'm trying to no imakala mfethu. No mfethu lalela emapela. No. Ngicela uzohlala la and answer that question. Ayikho le ndaba yakho. Guys, Chiefs have got 2 coaches. Ngisazibi now. I thought Ben Yusuf Khalifa is the coach. The other one I grew clear to Toloka. Kyabuza. Wona. Bangihleka labantu lapha. Kunandaba ngihlekini ke. Ngiyavala le show. Get away. All right. The 2 coaches at Chiefs, ne? I feel already they've got some synergy going, ne? And it's a nice synergy. Guys, no, that was just a joke, ne? That was just a joke. No, it's a good synergy, ne? That they're having, and the players are starting to be attracted to the 2 coaches, and they're resonating well, connecting well, and together they're forming a very good bond. It won't be easy for Chiefs to lose games now, never. It won't be easy. Mark my words. They won't lose games easy. They lose one odd game here and there, but they're going to do well. The 28th would not be a determining factor for the league. No. The only thing there is they've got a common denominator. Chiefs and Pirates on the 28th. One of them must be top or second. Next week, Wednesday, Pirates Sundowns. It's not a barometer to gauge who's going to win the league. No. There is also a common denominator that either who wins goes up or who loses goes down. Simple equation like that. Pirates are 3 points clear. They're playing Marumo Gallants. It's a showcase. There's no way Marumo Gallants will play Pirates. Nga skateboard to a Velcom. There's no way that Juan Marumo Gallants. Bona, Sheba. Chiefs is Jali. Can you pay up? Who's Chiefs playing in the next game? Pirates will never lose to Marumo Gallants. Sheba. Otherwise, Habatama. Abaketa Pirates, ne? Raman Saligi. Child. There's so many messages here that are popping out. There's a lot. Yeah, Uri. Chiefs were down and out after Stellies. Now you see they're winning everything. You're right. Exactly my point. That's how football changes. Yes, Vuyo, he says Pirates will win the league. I agree. This thing of Pule Modi want to be selfish. You must tell him. Tell him, guys. Tell Pule Modi. Right there. Pule Modi is cover selfish. Pass the ball. Yeah. Yes, you're right into Kachin. You're right into. Yeah, Da Silva has shown better touches now, more confident on the ball, off the ball. He has scored 2 penalties in a row. That's confidence. I agree with you, Kachin. Thank you. Well said. Villagas number 10. Does he have the stamina to run for 90 minutes at number 10, Villagas? That's a big question. I'm not saying he cannot. He's good at 10, Villagas. But can he hold on for 90 minutes in a tough game? Just checking. Consistency, yes, Rebombo. You're right. Tula when I'm to a Pirates. Chiefs. You're right. Simply, yes. They should have, yes. Should have gone through, yeah. You're right. Sundowns must win their weekend game. Who are they playing against? Sundowns. Standing Pegel. Who's Chiefs playing this weekend and who's Sundowns playing? Pirates are playing Marumo Gallants. I'm doing that game live on Supersport and Pirates won't lose. We say what? Do. Wabilaila. Pirates won't lose to Marumo Gallants. Unaltab. Uring. Good. Yeah?
Chiefs are playing CAF this weekend.
Kev, where are they playing? Zamalek. Where? Away.
Yeah.
Away.
Away from home.
And then Sundowns are playing
They're also probably playing CAF.
MC Alger.
Yeah, I just want to double check.
Who's Sundowns playing, guys? Come on.
On Saturday, Rolani.
They're playing MC Alger. Yo.
Yes, I wanted to say that. I just forgot.
Loftus Stadium, Saturday. Hotongha Sebodu. Loftus, Saturday. Holongha Sebodu. Ufunu Sebodu again. I'll tell you now. Loftus, Saturday. It's Cardoso against Rulani Mukweli. Ongha Sebodu. Bodu sena so pala mathaba tsa mamgale se thawela mahlaba ndlovu skene balakatha Loftus aketsebi re tla ba witness. I'm here Monday, we'll talk about it. Okay.
What do you think is going to happen? Give us a
Sandazojuwa.
You're not even giving them a chance.
I don't like that coach. Coach Batli. Yeah. The sooner bajuwa ba mo fe begeli ya ulwetsa. Ba tseba Kenya mbeka ulwetsa ke. Kenya machangura. Ba mo fe bega ulwetsa. Aye.
Out.
Yeah, aye. Oh, okay. Krata Sundowns in fit and Krasanozi win. I love people at Sundowns. You know why? They looked after me. Yeah. They looked after me at Sundowns. Trimon Sani. Trimon Fanaka.
Chiefs versus Zamalek.
Chiefs will beat Zamalek. A draw for Chiefs or a win for Chiefs. Zamalek won't beat Chiefs. If they beat Chiefs, I'm back on Monday. I'm going to buy all of you lunch.
Which lunch?
Everyone. I can name send me your number, buy you lunch.
Lunch
Can I new way buy
Lunch of our own choice.
I just buy lunch for everyone who come through here in the comments. When I rumela number, rumela lunch. Ute dumo secretary ka tla letse I don't know. Was it? Thank you Alpha Alpine. Come on, Alpha Alpine. Matlo is a very good player Shabana. Why can't somebody just see that, eh? He's a good player. Use him. Otherwise, not yathatha thina. Good players yathatha adlali. Dlalani ngayo uzosebathi uSamuel hlele arena udla kamnandi. Bayizani nina. Thatha thina adlali. Good players we take. The league Pirates. Ntokozo. Hlongwane should be promoted. Hlongwane is a good player, but ana confidence man. Kimoni last time adlala. Confidence yaleka uHlongwane. But he's a very good player wena Tebogo. Ask Matlala Mashot, what do you want to ask Monesu? Thank you, Melusi. Thank you. Yes. You two did not see Fetsi Mulatid playing football, number 2000. So you don't know what I'm talking about. Keep quiet. So there was a player Chiefs called Fetsi Chipa Mulatid. Are you listening when? Yeah. That player used to wear jersey number 806. Konje Melusi, 806. And he played for Swallows and Chiefs only in his career. Was the best. Number 10. At Swallows and at Chiefs. Best. As in best. Google Fetsi Mulatid, they will see. Next. Don't say I didn't teach you anything in Anutu. You know exactly what I'm talking about. Just it's Fetsi Chipa Mulatid. His brother played for Chiefs as well. The stadium at FNB Stadium was nearly burnt to ashes after, in a game playing at FNB between Pirates and Chiefs, the referee was Mr. Stan Swart from Port Elizabeth. He gave Chiefs a penalty, dubious penalty, on the day, and Pirates fans started burning the stadium. 1992, FNB Stadium. How many of you remember that? Sure, Rumbo. Rumbar no. I must man can't win a president yourself. I must put him there. Hey, angifakani mina. Khohlwa. Yeah, angifakani. Faka umuntu. Next. Bring VAR is coming. VAR is coming. Will vote for me. Thank you, Deep Soul. Thank you, Ntwana. Thank you. Khasibe, Molo Mhlekazi, unjani tata? Vukile? 4-4-2 formation for Chiefs is working. Chabalala's decisions are always poor. Okay, that can be corrected, no problem. What do you say? Kimangwe, Tati Life Yam. Kele, Ndlovu, Mabue, simple 10 Chiefs. You're right. If they can do that, they'll give Pirates a hard time in 28 and the next derby in April. The April derby will be a determining factor. Unless all three of them. Balashama points in Killeen. You see. General Tukes, I agree with you. 100%. Which boy is hungry? Mato? Or which boy are you talking about, Tebogo? The one who's hungry. Who's the hungry one? Zebedi Eladi Namuneng. Ow, ZB. Pilas Luakom. Dumelang. Yeah, Gata Michel. Khoshitak. Any questions, guys? Come on. Hey, there's a guy who's obsessed with Pule Modi here. Oh.
All sorts on our side. It's mostly comments.
Let's hear comments and then maybe we can comment back.
Ati Utumi Musidi. Bugs should work on their finishing. They are very poor up front and wasteful. Also, the constant poor decision making by the attackers will cost us one day. So far, we've been lucky to not be punished.
True that. Pirates must be clinical. Pirates create so many chances. They will be burying teams, 5, 6, 7, 8. But last decisions are always killing Pirates. And another thing, you've got the best midfielders. You've got the best wingers in the country. Use them. Sometimes I feel that Pirates recycles the ball far too many times instead of taking a shot at goal. Sometimes you recycle, and then what happens? The team that you're playing against stands resolute, and you can't penetrate. Once you still have the momentum of coming with the ball and recycling the ball and famo to ball kuda hada, one must take a patrek shot. We call it like that, Ronaldo. Tati patrek. Yeah, you just surprise them. Shy. You know when you hit a ball from far, there are two things can happen. Yeah? A deflection or hit the post and a rebound. See? So take shots and see what happens. You don't take shots, nothing will happen. Simple as that. Yeah, another comment?
Nyambose, I've been watching videos from this page. Why you guys always talk negatively about Chiefs?
Who's talking negative about Chiefs?
It's a question from Put Malume.
But Malume, should have paid Lentogal. We pay it only one. Yeah, be fair, Nagiti. We always will speak about things. We won't say what you want us to say or what you want to hear, unfortunately. This life is not for people who want to hear what they want to hear. This life for people who understand football, that we cannot agree all the time on what you want us to agree with. I'll say what I want to say because it's how I see football. That's why I always say we're all students of the beautiful game football. We're all opinionated in football. But does not mean my opinion is the best. No. Even yours, Malume, is not the best. But when things are happening in our football, why must we be afraid to talk about them? But you, when Pirates is losing or Sanders is losing, you want to talk about them. I don't think it's fair. Allow us to do our job. And our job is to talk about football and also be opinionated like you are as well. So in this field of football, as we are students of the growing football, no one is above any. That's why coaches commit mistakes, players commit mistakes. Even us as fans, we do commit mistakes. So there's no way that maybe we can say that we are one-sided. Not one-sided. If Pirates is playing well, we'll talk about Pirates playing well. If Sanders is not playing well like now, Cardoso and Sutsai, we'll talk about it. It's one way of helping them to realize that we can see what's happening there. About Kaizer Chiefs, no, we're not fighting Kaizer Chiefs. No, never. That's my mother's team, by the way.
And then we have another one. Why do our coaches sub Shabalala by Marco instead of Serino?
Why what?
Why do our, I think, I think, why do our coaches sub Shabalala for Marco instead of Serino?
I had people say that Shabalala didn't play well. But for me, you can play like for like. Like if you take out Shabalala, bring in Villagazi or Serino. That's like for like. Difference that one is left-footed in Villagazi. The rest are right-footed. So what do? What was the score then? What was the score? Against Stellenbosch. They were losing. Maybe Marco, they wanted to play him as an attacking left back. But he's a left back, he's not a winger. Yeah. But then why not put in a more offensive player? It has to make sense to me that if you substitute Shabalala, you need another player that can go and slot in there. And don't make another position a safari by substituting like for like. Like for like means a player that plays similar position. Or maybe 90% almost to create more like Shabalala was doing. If Shabalala was not creating, then bring a player who will create. I didn't see the match, but I want to know then, did Matlo play? See now, there's your problem. There's your answer here. We got to beat.
Chiefs game against...
What's wrong with Chiefs not playing Matlo? Awuza abangani bakho lapha Chiefs.
But the Chiefs game against Ellis was lost 2-1. Young player was introduced in the middle of the park, Mabaso. Umona biyang baba mthetho.
Bang.
Mabaso.
Mabaso is good. I spoke to his father about it. His father is called Twitter. Twitter mangawubhekile mngana mlungile ngawari. Sisonke. Plus bashayile last week, sorry. So Mabaso is a good player. He can hold on to the ball. He can penetrate. He needs confidence only. Somebody says Wadu must go to Chiefs after he's finished with Pirates. Hey, Tamon wa mate wena. Dr. N. No man, Baxter was not South African. Baxter is Scottish. He's from Wolverhampton. He's got a Scottish passport. Baxter, AB. Baxter? No. He's not South African. The question was which South African born coach won anything at Chiefs or who did very well at Chiefs? None. Ayo. Mushin is not South African, he's Turkish. Evan. Dr. and Ace, what did they win? Okay, guys. All right. Oh, yeah, Melus, you're right. Yeah, they once coached together, but nothing came out of it. Sabelo, how are you? Anything else from your side?
All good from our side.
Yeah, few like him. You need to come and read for me. Okay. All right, guys. So, this weekend, Pirates are playing the league again. If they win, they go 6 points clear. How about that? No way Marumo Gallants will beat Pirates. Palama skateboard ka welcome. No way. Ek fita Val River ka kena ka swim ka feta. Feta la welcome. Ek fita Val ka sa kena welcome kena Tikwane ka swim teng hape. Ka Tikwe ka feta hape ka Valch. Ka swim al mo. Marumo Gallants beat Pirates never. 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 Le ba bolelle tshojwalo. Never.
A draw maybe?
No draw. Pirates is going to beat those people and go 6 points clear. What draw?